understand English perfectly, but when it's come to speak, you had lots of fear. So, hello everyone, this is Kriti, and very warm welcome to you all. Today, I am going to talk about that how we got that fear that we are not able to express ourselves. Right. So today in this video, we are going to learn some tips so we can remove our fear, because if we have lots of fear, then we are not going to speak a single word. So we have to get that rid of how to overcome with this problem so that we can become a public speaker, or whatever we want to speak, whatever we want to express, we can express easily. Okay, so first thing is that you have to got to know that how I got that fear. So many of us has lots of fears. Suppose many of you has fear of height, many of you have a fear of snake. Personally, I have the fear of the snake. So whenever I see the snake somewhere, so I run away from there. So it is big issue with me that I had fear of the snake. And it is naturally also that we see any animal in front of us, then we feel fear and we run away from there. So you, in the same way, you have to know that where you got that fear. If you have the fear, so how you can overcome with this issue. So identify your fear first, that where you have fear. You have fear of grammar, you have fear of vocabularies, you have fear of pronunciation, because we have fear of only these all things. Because sometimes whenever we are going to speak, we thought that, oh, I am doing some grammatical mistake here. So we are not going to speak any single word. Second thing is that if you have the fear of vocabulary, so you will thought that, oh, my word is not perfect here, I am not using a perfect vocabulary, so I can hit the nail or I can perform well in any public speaking. And third is that we have pronunciation fear, that, oh, I am going to speak something, so it means it's going to be wrong. It means my pronunciation will make people laugh. People will mock upon me. So don't think about that. You have got that fear. Okay, just identify it and work upon that fear. Okay, so how you can do that? It is a very easy to do, get rid of that fear. So second is that conquer that fear. Now you have identified your fear. Now you have to conquer over your fear. So how you can do that? Write down in whatever the mistake you are doing, whatever the fear you have in your mind, just pen down it and try to identify that if you have vocabulary fear. So try to read new book, try to read any book or any new book, pick up some story book, and if you learn some new word, try to use them in your conversation. Whenever you are making conversation with your friend, partners, anyone, try to use that vocabulary. So by using this again and again, it will it will naturally flow out of your mouth. Okay, you not need to, you have to not put lots of pressure against it. So this is how you can conquer your fear. Now the third thing is that if you have conquered that fear, so now it should come naturally. Okay, means it should become the part of your life. It should flow automatically, naturally come out of your mouth. So how you can do that? Whenever you had fear, you have identified it, you have conquered over your fear. Now third thing is that try to use it every day in life so that you can use it naturally. Because when we have lack of practice, then it is going to make a lots of fear. Suppose someone say may go and jump in the swimming pool, but I have fear of jumping in the swimming pool and swim because I have never tried it. So if someone will say I will be filled with lots of fear, right? So in the same way, if we had fears of something, so we are not going to do that thing in the same way, right? So you have to identify your fear, that where we are getting that fear, where I got that fear, and now you have to work upon that, right? So it is naturally, we all had some kind of fear. We had swimming fear, we had Long height fear. Some of the people have long height fear. I have animals fear. Whenever I see some animals, I get scared and I just run away from there. So it is natural thing that we had some kind of fear. So you have to overcome with this fear. How you can do that? You have to work upon daily. Try to practice every day. Try to find out some partner. If you do not have any partner, just join in some Telegram group or join some WhatsApp community group, which is going to help you a lot. If you will say me, I will also make one community on Telegram where you all can join and talk to each other. So this is how you, by talking a lot, you make yourself comfortable with this language. The more you speak, the more you become better. So it is a great saying that where there is will, there is a way. Whenever you have the will to find something, to know something, then you will get the way. God will show you all the thing in the right direction, but you have to work upon that. You have to be patient. You have to not rush, because oh my dear friends, if you will rush in this language, so you are not going to have anything. Because we see one problem of us is what, that after doing one after making conversation, after making conversation, we right after that we see that oh, my progress is not happening, my progress is not at the level what I want. So we should be patient about that. We should be comfortable with this language. Try to make yourself comfortable, and this all thing will happen. Not try to give time. After one day you will see the result, that one is not going to help you. So you have to give time to yourself and then see how random change you are going to find out. So I hope that you like my video, and if you like it seriously, then please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe, because your subscription is mean a lot for me, because it give me a lots of confidence to make such more videos. That's going to help you a lot in coming days. And the third thing is that please support me. Your support means a lot. And for watching till end, thank you so much. Bye bye.